What is up, everybody? Welcome back. It's Jimmy with another video. Today we're tackling a problem every baker faces, leftover pastry. Yeah, that little bit you just can't bear to throw away. Don't you worry, I've got you covered. We're gonna turn that pastry trash into tasty treasure with 5 easy, super delicious recipes. You ready to get your bake on? Let's do this. All right, for our first recipe, we're going to make some awesome pastry pinwheels. They're super simple. First, grab your leftover pastry, about a cup's worth, and roll it out into a rectangle. Now grab your favorite spread, I'm going with cinnamon sugar today, and sprinkle it all over. Next up, roll that pastry up tight, like a sleeping bag for a hamster. Once it's rolled, slice it into 1-inch pieces. Pop those pinwheels on a baking sheet and bake for 10 to 12 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, or until they're golden brown and delicious. Next up, we're going mini. We're talking adorable, poppable mini fruit tarts. Grab your leftover pastry and cut out small circles. Press them into a mini muffin tin. Now for the filling. In a bowl, mix together a 1/4 cup of cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Spoon this mixture into your pastry cases, top with your favorite fruit. I'm using berries today, and bake for 12 to 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bam! Tiny taste explosions. Chapter 3. Cheese straws, the perfect party snack. Let's kick it up a notch with some cheesy goodness. Roll out your leftover pastry into a rectangle again. Brush it with a beaten egg and sprinkle generously with a 1/2 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. You can add a pinch of cayenne pepper if you like a little heat. Now cut the pastry into thin strips about 1/2 inch wide and twist them up. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or until golden and crispy. These cheese straws are seriously addictive, just saying. Chapter 4. Pastry Pockets, sweet or savory, you choose. Time to get creative. For this recipe, you can go sweet or savory. Cut your leftover pastry into squares. For a sweet treat, fill them with a spoonful of Nutella and chopped hazelnuts. Or for a savory snack, fill them with a sprinkle of cheese and a pinch of dried herbs. Fold the pastry squares diagonally to form triangles, crimp the edges to seal, and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes. They're like little presents of deliciousness. Chapter 5. Cinnamon Sugar Twists. Back to basics. We're finishing strong with a classic cinnamon sugar twists. Roll out your leftover pastry into a rectangle. Brush it with melted butter and sprinkle generously with cinnamon sugar. Now cut the pastry into strips. Twist each strip a few times and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes or until golden brown. Simple, classic, and oh so delicious. And there you have it. 5 incredible ways to use up those leftover pastry scraps. No more waste, just pure deliciousness. Which recipe will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tasty recipes and fun baking adventures. Until next time, happy baking!